Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing great. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Nancy. Please subscribe, share and like my videos, and also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this trending braided hairband. So first off, I'll be using this piece. This is a bridal satin, and you can also use any fabric of your choice. I'll also make use of a fiber piece. There are other alternatives to this. You can use a wadding or your leftover pieces. Measurement for this fabric is 36 inches, which is the standard measurement I use. But for a smaller head size, I'll show you how to adjust the band to the actual size you desire. I need 3 straps, so I went ahead to measure 4 inches wide and 36 inches long. I have 4 inches spacing at this end, and I'll also mark 4 inches spacing at the other end to get an accurate line. So I'll move this to the center of the fabric to mark 4 inches spacing as shown. Now I'll use a straight ruler to connect the points together. I have 3 straps with a measurement of 4 inches wide and 36 inches long, so I'll go ahead to cut this. The next step is to flip the strap to the right side of the fabric. Then you fold into 2. Then sew the side by 0.25, that's 1/4 of an inch, all the way down for the 3 straps. Straps have 2 openings, so I have to close one opening so I can easily turn to the right side of the fabric. After sewing the 3 straps, I made sure I ironed, and I also used a screwdriver to turn them inside out. After turning inside out, I'll trim out each side of the opening I sewn initially. And this is because I want the seam to be at the center while ironing. Now the straps are ready. The next step is to fill it in with the fiber as shown. I've gone ahead to fill up the 3 straps. The next step is to attach this piece by placing each straps on each other. Now I'll take this to my straight sewing machine to attach it together. Next step is to weave. To do this conveniently, I use the machine footer to hold the edge I sewn. So you can do a loose braid or a tight braid depending on how you want the band to be. Here I'm doing a tight braid. So you do this all through till you get to the end of the strap. In the beginning of this video, I told you I was going to show you how to adjust the headband to a small size. For instance, let's assume the head size is 21 inches. So I'll place a measuring tape at the beginning of the weave to 21 inches. So on this 21 inches, at this point, I'll remove the fibers. Then I'll place the edges of the strap on each other to through a straight stitch. Just the way I held the 3 straps at the beginning before weaving. I'm working with a standard edge size measurement. I'll weave this to the end of the straps. Now I've weaved it to the end of the straps. I'll remove little fiber. Then I'll place the straps on each other as shown, which I would take to the straight sewing machine to attach it together. It is advisable to remove the fibers in both ends to avoid thickness. Now the next step is to attach the 2 ends together using your straight sewing machine as shown. This small piece is 5 inches by 5 inches. The next step is to fold into 2 as shown. Then you sew by 0.5 inches. After sewing, I turn this small piece inside out to flat press. Now I'll place the small strap on the joint end. This might not be too clear here, but I made sure that the seam of the small strap is at the center. The next thing is to attach the 2 ends of the straps as shown. Now I'll trim out the excess to turn the straps inside out so as to have the stitches facing inward. So this is how it should look like. In order to avoid the small straps from moving or shifting to the other side, it's advisable to use a liquid gum or hemming gum, but I'll be making use of a hemming gum because that is what I have close to me here. Place a small piece to flat press. Hey guys, thank you for always stopping by. You should give it a try. It's very simple. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. I really do appreciate. Please subscribe, share and like my videos, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Bye.